Hi there guys, welcome to the channel. So yeah, I put a post up on Instagram on my story asking you guys if I should do a video on why I bought the Honda and what my plans are. So yeah, let me just give you a bit of an intro on the car, some drone footage, and yeah, then we'll get into it. Thanks. So my main plan with the car is I bought a 150i. It was a old lady's car, old guy's car actually, and I'm basically the second owner according to the books and papers of the car. Full service history, so I genuinely bought something, a good platform basically. And my plan is to put a B20 VTEC motor. I'm not sure about the kilowatts. I'm looking at 150, 160 kilowatts. I know it's going to be a lot of work because I want to go NA, the more expensive route. So either B20 VTEC or B18C, if I can gather enough money. But yeah, this build's only going to start hopefully next year, April, May. So yeah, it's going to take some time because I need to save up quite a bit of money in order to buy the gearbox. Needs to come out, as well as the motor mounts, a new ECU, and all those other jazz. So the first thing I did when I got the car is I put a 40mm lowering kit on. I bought it in at Racing Edge in Athlone, I believe. Goodwood? Paro. No, in Paro. I bought in Paro. So yeah, you can message me, DM me if you guys want some information on loading kits for your Civics or for your E-cable odds. And yeah, it's all in all a great car. So one of the main questions was, why did I buy an old car? I don't know, I just like the feeling, like it's different. It's like you feel more engaged with the car, especially like with the Hondas. Like you just feel like it's a driver's car, man. You just like feel so engaged with the car. You feel every little bump, you feel the steering, it's nice, the gears nice, you know, if everything's so analog and old school, I just like it. Another question I got is, why didn't I just buy a old BMW or old Mark 1? And my answer to that is, I just never see myself owning, you know, E30 or MK1. I don't. Maybe E36, yes, but other than that, no. But yeah, all in all, this is my baby. I named it Autumn, so you guys probably gonna see some stickers popping up, and yeah, that's about it. Also, one of the other reasons why I bought in the Honda specifically is I drove a Club Sport. I don't know if you guys saw the Club Sport video, and I really loved the Club Sport. You know, it's literally like one of the best technologies you can get up to date in terms of what is on sale and what people can afford, but not really can afford, but you know what I mean. It's quite an expensive car, but it has like all the new technology in, TSG gearbox, cruise control, the works. And then directly after that, my friend Matthew, he owns a 180i. His car is really beautiful. 180i E-cable load, and I literally drove that car directly after I drove the Club Sport. And for some odd reason, I just preferred to drive the Honda. It's not the fastest thing on the block, but it's the most enjoyable car that I've found up to date. And it's one car that I always dreamt of owning, because my brother owned one, and his car was fast. It was nice. Good childhood days. He always used to take me to school, loudspeakers at the back, car was low, pulled a lot of attention. So it's just like, it's more than just a car, it's like childhood memory. So yeah. Also, before lockdown or during lockdown, I told myself, you know, I'm gonna get me one of these cars, and I didn't think it would be possible. And then 4 months into lockdown, just before my 21st birthday, I managed to get it. So yeah, some motivation for you guys, you know, set your bar reasonably high. Even though you think you're gonna get it, just work towards it. You never know if you're gonna get it. I didn't know I'm gonna get it, but I got it. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Stay driven. Yeah, cool. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, like this video, like all the other videos, and watch all the other videos as well. And yeah, if you want a nice photo shoot, you know where to find me. So yeah, there you go guys, there you go, thanks, cool, enjoy, bye.